Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're making Tonkatsu Curry. Crispy pork Katsu Cozy Japanese Curry and perfectly cooked rice. It's a comforting classic that's easy to make at home and always satisfying. If you've ever wanted a dinner that feels like a warm blanket, Tonkatsu Curry is it. It's a Japanese favorite that pairs a crunchy, breaded pork cutlet with thick Japanese curry sauce, all served over fluffy rice. One bite hits 3 notes at once. Crisp, rich, and comforting. It's popular for a simple reason. It tastes good every time. Curry shops serve it as a reliable classic, and home cooks make it when they want something filling without a lot of guesswork. This guide breaks down what Tonkatsu Curry tastes like, what goes into it, how to make it at home, and a few easy upgrades that keep the crust crisp and the curry bold. What is Tonkatsu Curry, and why do people love it? Tonkatsu Curry is a plate of steamed rice topped or paired with tonkatsu, a breaded and fried pork cutlet, plus Japanese curry sauce poured alongside. It's not fancy food. It's satisfying food. Think of it like the best parts of a crispy schnitzel and a hearty stew, sharing the same plate. The magic is in the contrast. The cutlet is crisp and light on the outside, juicy inside. The curry is smooth, thick, and clingy, the kind that coats a spoon. The rice sits underneath like a soft base that calms everything down. Put them together and you get a bite that's crunchy, saucy, and gentle all at once. You'll see Tonkatsu Curry in a lot of places in Japan. Home kitchens, casual diners, and curry shops where you can pick spice level and toppings. It's also a common first Japanese curry for kids because Japanese curry is usually mild, slightly sweet, and not heavy on sharp spice. That mildness matters. Many curries around the world chase heat or intense spice. Japanese curry often chases comfort. It's more like a thick gravy with warm spices, which makes the whole dish feel familiar, even if you didn't grow up with it. Japanese curry versus other curries, what makes it different? Japanese curry is typically stew-like and glossy. It's less about separate spices popping and more about a blended, rounded flavor. You'll often taste a light sweetness from onions, carrots, or even fruit and a gentle spice that builds but doesn't burn. Common ingredients are simple. Onions, carrots, potatoes, and a protein if you want one. Many home cooks use curry roux blocks, which melt into the simmering pot and thicken the sauce fast. They're consistent, hard to mess up, and great for beginners who want that classic curry shop texture. Tonkatsu basics, cut choice, breading, and the crunch factor. Tonkatsu usually starts with pork. Pork loin is popular because it stays juicy and has enough fat to taste rich. Pork tenderloin is leaner and can feel lighter, but it dries faster if you overcook it. The breading is the whole point. Panko breadcrumbs create an airy, jagged crust, which fries up crisp instead of dense. The goal is a thin coating that shatters when you cut it, not a thick shell that falls off. If you want a common switch, chicken katsu works the same way and pairs perfectly with curry. How to make Tonkatsu Curry at home, simple step by step. Making Tonkatsu Curry at home is easier if you treat it like a short timeline. Start the curry first because it likes to simmer, then fry the cutlets near the end, and cook rice in the background. When everything hits the plate hot, the crust stays crisp and the curry tastes fuller. That's everything you need to know to get started with Tonkatsu Curry. From the crunchy katsu to the rich, comforting curry, this dish is all about balance and texture. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.